Nurses across the length and breadth of Guyana are commemorating the 200th birth anniversary of the icon of modern-day nursing, Florence Nightingale. Chief Nurse Linda Johnson, during Monday's virtual COVID-19 briefing, saluted the nurses for their resilience in the battle to end the pandemic.
Today we are grateful more than ever for all our nurses who continue to show commitment and resilience in this fight. Many of you have and continue to risk your life to safeguard us from COVID-19. You've traded your comfort, having to wear bodysuits and other pieces of protective equipment for several hours. Some of you are away from your families. You have moved out temporarily for fear of becoming infected and infecting your loved ones.
She implored all Guyanese to join in the efforts with the healthcare workers to contain COVID-19.
You can show that you love and care for our nurses too by simply adhering to the advice of the Ministry of Public Health. You have a civil responsibility to stay at home if it is not necessary for you to get out.
Meanwhile, it has been 2 months since Guyana confirmed its first COVID-19 case. Since the confirmation, the figures have maintained its upward trajectory. Despite challenges faced by the Public Health Ministry in getting persons who may have been exposed to disease to come forward for testing, a whopping 930 tests were conducted to date. Unfortunately, during that 2-month window period, 10 persons lost the battle to the disease as a result of severe complications. However, notably, 36 recoveries have been registered. As of Monday evening, the number of active COVID-19 cases, according to the Public Health Ministry, stood at 63, with 1 person under observation in institutional quarantine. Minister of Public Health Vala Lawrence, during Monday's virtual COVID-19 briefing, declared 5 additional COVID-19 cases.
And today, we are reporting yet another 5 new cases, bringing the total number of new cases in just 3 days to 12, and the total number of confirmed cases to 109. In the last 24 hours, an additional 16 tests were done. There are 6 persons in our COVID-19 ICU, with 1 intubated and 63 in institutional isolation.
The minister added that should the current trends continue, the local outcome can be disastrous.
Guyanese, a disaster is at our very back door. And unless we exercise caution and adhere to the control measures, the model figures of 1,400 and 20,000 can become a reality.
Last week, the Pan American Health Organization World Health Organization country representative William Adukro disclosed a COVID-19 case projection of 795 cases by the end of May. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.